YouTube. It's BCR Roading over at Mark Dance's house at the Columbia Cascade in Western. And what a treat. The operating session's over, so I'll just have a quick run around. There's no trains going, sorry about that. Just raw, quick walk. It's just absolutely amazing. Truly blown away. If you ever get the chance and you're out in Vancouver and you sign up for the train layout tour, do it. You'll be just absolutely blown away. I know I'm bouncing while walking, but I don't have a stabilization platform yet. I think I might get one. It's going to get a little bright in the snow scene, but just truly blown away. It's amazing. Here we go, it's going to get bright. Up at Farron Summit now. This is where my job started. This is N Scale in case you guys haven't seen it, and of course I'll link Mark's YouTube channel into the video description. Bridges are out, so the boys can get in and out nice and easy.
So that's one project. In the meantime, I'll do the
This was my last job of the night. Unfortunately, I didn't finish. But boy, it was so much fun. Down to Castlegar at the pulp mill. Over to Castlegar East, I believe. Yeah. And of course, the bridge is out. Stunning. Perhaps the next time I come over I'll get some running trains. Unfortunately, there was just so many guys here tonight that it just was impossible. This is of course Nelson, and that back line there is the Burlington Northern line that goes down into Troop Junction. So, that's the end of the line right there. Just fantastic. Of course, look up Mark Dance on YouTube and you can see his layout. And wow, just wow. Truly honored to be here. Thank you, Mark, and thank you for all the guys who walked through fast time, dispatch, all that stuff. I had never done any of it before. I know I'm forgetting words, but that's okay. I'm tired and I have a concussion, so you can forgive me. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and you have a great day. See you soon.